988 hotline is right around the corner. 988 is a suicide and crisis lifeline for people in need of help and support. News Channel 3's Ariana Mintz has more on how those three simple numbers have made quite a difference over the last 12 months.
Three numbers with a huge impact. 988, a suicide crisis lifeline, has been up and running for nearly a year. Something Governor Mike DeWine recognized on Friday with those involved in the program to spread their message of support and continue to spread the word. For Rick Bauman, the hotline is also a personal mission. While Rick worked as a volunteer for suicide prevention, he also lost a son who says suffered from depression and traits of OCD. His son took his own life at 33.
It's the hardest thing I've ever had to deal with in my life.
The loss fueled Rick to get more involved with mental health issues. He even created a depression support group.
People don't understand what it is to have a mental illness, to have your brain controlling your mood.
If you're in need of immediate support, there are other options. 3 easy numbers to remember: 988, and that's just to reach the lifeline. In the Mountain State, First Choice Services has answered the National Suicide Lifeline for years. The Director of Marketing, Sheila Moran, says 988 really changed things in West Virginia.
Nearly 15,000 contacts. So that's calls, chats, or texts from people right here in West Virginia calling our lifeline.
Doug Jackson, Ohio 988 administrator, says about 90% of calls from Ohio are answered by people living in the Buckeye State. Something Sheila says makes it easier to connect with those who pick up these important calls.
We know that people from West Virginia often like to talk to other folks from West Virginia.
That local connection helping to pick up these important calls faster.
Ohio has a 19-second speed-to-answer rate. That compares to the national average of 35 seconds.
Workers continue to increase support in Ohio. The number of call centers have increased from 12 last year to now 19.
We know that this first year would provide us with a great deal of insights and learning opportunities that were important to document, as well as use an evaluation as 988 grows and becomes more widely known as a resource.
Working to strengthen mental health services locally and across the country, one call, text, or chat at a time. Ariana Mintz, WSAZ News Channel 3.
Calling 988 can get you help now, but it can also then get you connected with more specialized care as well. The official 1-year anniversary, by the way, for the hotline is coming up July 16th.